Now, property has been an incredible result during COVID, not just in Australia, which has had a great year, but globally. Markets in Hong Kong still strong, surprisingly. UK, USA, everywhere's done pretty well with property. And that's pretty, not surprising to me because of the fact that it has that sanctuary status. It's the thing that calms us the most. We can physically touch it. It protects us. It surrounds us. It keeps us warm. It keeps us safe. So it's not surprising that in a time like COVID, where things are so confusing, so worrying, so potentially devastating, that we return to the safety of an asset like property. But what has changed, we're not turning to it as an asset class, we're turning it to it as a lifestyle class. It's all about where am I going to safely have my family live? And that's been the key focus. In previous times when we've seen stock market crashes, property always did quite well because people said, I want a safer asset. But the asset component is not relevant in the decision now. It's about what do I need for my family to live in now, tomorrow, the next day. That's far more critical than the potential financial benefit that may come through value improvement. It's about having that lifestyle that matters. One of the reasons is because we are stuck more at home. And in the foreseeable future, there's no guarantee we won't still be at home. We don't know when lockdowns will end for good. Could be, like I say, 1, 2, 3, 4 years. We'll be there working from home, living with our spouse, our partners, our kids, at the same place for more and more hours. So you want a bit more separation. You need more rooms. You need to be able to say, kids, that's your area. Please don't bother me. All these things become important because they're forced upon us. We have to do it. And of course, we're not getting the chance to travel out and enjoy that. So as a result, we're more worried about having our home as our vacation spot, a forced vacation in some cases, than we are about where will we go on the next vacation, because that's only just starting to come in as an opportunity and thing. It is now a whole private refuge, our home. It's never been more important, and we've relearned the importance of it. And that's what's been driving the safety, the growth, and the activity in property markets world round. Not investors, but genuine owner-occupiers. And Australia is no exception to that rule.